In the Settings page, you can manage all your devices and set which push notifications you wish to receive on your smartphone. Start by selecting which device you need to edit. You may rename your device and set the fuel average consumption. Be sure to set this value, or some functionalities, such as the fuel report, will not work properly. In the notification settings, you may switch on or off the push notification sent to your smartphone. Road speed limits. A notification is sent if the vehicle exceeds road speed limits. Harsh maneuvers. A notification is sent if a harsh event is detected, harsh acceleration, braking, or cornering. Trip start or stop. A notification is sent each time a trip is started and when it's finished. Not all devices support this functionality. Geofences. These are virtual fences that you can draw in the map. To start using geofences, you must put the switch in on position. You may now start editing your 5 virtual zones by clicking either the Edit button or the Edit Geofence button. Border is a value expressed in meters. It allows you to avoid fake events while your vehicle is moving inside the geofence border. The geozone may be a circle or a rectangle. You may then choose which event to use. Click View Edit Zone to create or edit your geofence directly on the map. You may create a circular or rectangular geofence. Once the area is created, you may edit it by dragging the dots you see on the geofence perimeter. After saving, select which event best suits your needs. On Enter, a push notification is sent when the device enters the geofence area. On Exit, a push notification will be sent if the device leaves the area. Click Save Zones to finish. You may choose to get a push notification when the device exceeds your custom speed limit. Place the switch in on position and enter your custom speed limit. You can activate or deactivate push notifications for POI events. Check the POI dedicated video for more info on this topic. Customize your Greenbox experience by assigning your personal icon and a color for each of your devices. To apply changes, click on Save Settings.